Hello and welcome to today's market wrap up on Wealth of Finance, where we break down the key movers and events that shape the Indian financial markets. So, in today's market summary, we're going to discuss about the index, how index performed today. After that, we're going to discuss about the market movers, sector which was down, and the stock which was down, FII, DII, couple of newses. So this will be all packed with a lot of information. Let's start. Let's dive right in. Now today, first we're going to start with the Sensex. If you see, Sensex closes around 80,182 points, down 502 points, which is the minus 0.62. And if you see, they started around flat and then days in it got dropped. So started with flat and little upside, then it started falling and falling and falling. So it was one-sided rally for the Sensex. Even for the Nifty closes 24,198, fallen from the previous closer 137 points, which is 0.56 percentage. And same pattern, started little up, open in flat, then start falling. So this is for Nifty and for the Sensex. Let's see how Bank Nifty performed today. Bank Nifty down more, 695 points. So this is 1.32%, closes around 52,139. And same pattern, got up and it was down towards the day's end. So this is the Bank Nifty index because they are expecting a Fed discussion today. So market is very volatile. Now let's see the sector analysis. So positive today is pharmaceuticals and biotechnology, which is up 0.91% if you see. Advanced versus declined. And negative today, it was hardware, technology and equipment, down by 2.08%. So advance is 2 and decline is 9. So this is for sector wise analysis. Let's see the top gainers today for the stock. Craftsman Auto has moved 11%, which is a very good jump for a particular stock. So it was flat for the day, and after I think 2 o'clock it started booming again. So after 2 o'clock it starts spiking up. So there'll be a news behind this. So MAU for acquisitions. The primary catalyst for the stock's rise was the announcement of a memorandum of understanding regarding a potential acquisition. This news generated a significant investor interest, leading to increased buying pressure on the stock. Even strong market performance for this particular stock consistently trading above the moving average level, which is 5 days, 20 days and 50 days and 100 days and 200 days. So this is the positive for the particular stock. KFin Technologies. One possible reason for KFin Technologies 7% surge today could be the growing confidence among the both institution and retail investor. The stock enjoys strong analyst support with multiple buy rating. So that could be a probable reason for the stock to surge around 7% or 7% plus. Let's see the top losers today. Deepak Fertilizers down by 6.64%, closes 1,201.50, and Piramal Enterprise down by 6.31%, closes 1147.65. So Deepak Fertilizer could be a reason behind the fall, is the reported a decrease in sale, which is 22.71%, which is pretty high, making its first revenue contraction in 3 years. This significant drop raises concern among investors regarding the company's financial health and future prospects. So this could be a reason behind the fall. So we don't know. That could be another or any multiple reason behind the fall, but this could be one of them. Let's see the upcoming dividend stock. So we have first dividend stock is Bambino Agro Industry. Then we have Steel City. Then we have Sacheta Metals, and then we have a Vedanta. So this is the details about the amount, and they have final second interim dividend and fourth interim dividend, and these are the declaration date and ex date for the upcoming dividend stock. So we know about the Vedanta is a dividend player, the highest number of dividend provides. So Vedanta one. So these are the dividends you can look at. Let's coming up the bonus shares. So bonus shares, we have Rajeshwari Cans, we have Bharat Seeds, and we have Link. So all the bonus is declared 1:1. This is the record date for the bonus, and this is the ex date for the bonus. So bonus shares, if someone wants to know what are bonus shares, so bonus shares are additional shares that a company issues to its existing shareholders without any cost. The bonus shares are issued in proportion to the existing holdings of the shareholders. For example, if a company declares 1:1 bonus, it means that the shareholders will get one bonus share for every share they own. So this is all about the bonus share. Let's talk about FII and DII activity. For FII, cash is minus 1316. So this is, they have sold it, and DII they have bought it 4084.1 CR. So this is the details for the FII and DII. Let's talk about the global indices. This is taken on. Let's talk about global indices. This is taken on 7 o'clock around. So first we have Gift Nifty, and the current price that time it was 24,269, up by marginally. DGIA, and we have the Nasdaq and S&P 500. So all are positive, and which is marginally. Let's talk about the recent news which during the market and after the market hours it came. So first news, we have MobiWik leads IPO debut with 90% surge. So MobiWik has a phenomenal upside after the IPO launch. They have a surge of 90%. Okay, Vishal Mega Mart's high life gain around 40%, 43%. So this is a very good gain. Who have the MobiWik stocks and already apply for the IPO and got the stocks. So they have at least a very good surge on the price. DAM Capital Advisors IPO GMP zooms 38% ahead of launch. Should you apply? So this is the ahead of launch, IPO launch basically. They already zoomed 38%. The third news which we have, PVR Inox dipped 6%, hits over 4-month low. Stocks down 12% in 2 weeks. Okay. The fourth news which we have, mutual fund increase exposure to banking and IT stocks amid outperformance. So this government bonds yield end flat as traders eye US Fed rate decision outlook. So this is the fifth news which we have. Today is a US Fed rate discussion going to happen after the market hours, Indian market hours. Okay, so before we wrap up, so what going to happen tomorrow's market? Given that the US Federal Reserve policy decision is on the horizon, the Indian market sentiment for tomorrow is likely to remain cautiously optimistic. Okay, there could be a volatile chance because the US Fed discussion. Typically, global investors keep an close eye on the Fed's stance, particularly around interest rates and its assessment of economic conditions before making big moves. So overall, expect the Indian market participants to start the day on a wait and watch mode, adjusting their strategies once the Fed commentary provides more clarity on the global interest rate trajectory. So, thank you so much for listening to us and be wise, investor. Thank you so much. And that's a wrap up today's market coverage. We have gone through the key indices, explored the sector wise action, and look at the forces shaping today's market moves. So, thank you again. And please do your own research before you invest on any stocks or anything. Until then, stay smart, stay curious, and invest wisely. Thank you.